Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We miss you.
Miss you.
You want to show Chloe your room? What else do you have? Look, there's our clothes. And what else? Did you show Chloe your new bed?
Chloe, that's my dress.
Yeah, your dress and her Dora bed, just like Chloe has. And look, show Chloe what we made. It's a card and it says, "Happy birthday, Chloe. We miss you and we love you."
I'm going to put it in the wall.
Put it on the wall.
I'll put it right there.
Okay. Can you tell Chloe you miss her? Oh, you're doing a dance? Oh, okay.
Let me see.
You want to see? Okay. Bye, Chloe. We love you. We miss you. We'll see you.